Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my experience with Dakki pillows and how they improve my sleep quality. I'm also going to recommend a pillowcase that goes well with them and makes them even more comfortable. If you don't know what Dakki pillows are, they are pillows made from pure polyester fiber that are soft, fluffy, and hypoallergenic. They come in different sizes, colors, and patterns, and they have a buy one take one promo right now on Shopee and Lazada. You can get 2 pillows for the price of 1, which is a great deal. I bought this Dakki Nytee Nyt pillow buy one take one promo in navy blue color, and I'm very happy with them. It's very supportive and conform to my needs. They also keep their shape and don't go flat over time. They are perfect for side sleepers like me, but they can also work for back or stomach sleepers. One of the best things about Dakki pillows is that they are cooling and moisture wicking. They don't trap heat or sweat, so they keep me cool and dry throughout the night. They also prevent from dust mites, bacteria, and allergens from accumulating, so they are good for people with allergies or sensitive skin. To make my Dakki pillows even more cozy, I bought a pillowcase from Lazada. It's made from quilted fabric, which is waterproof, super soft, and breathable. It's affordable and machine washable. It also has a variety of color options, so you can match it with your Dakki pillows. If you're looking for new pillows that are comfortable, durable, and hypoallergenic, I highly recommend Dakki pillows. And if you want to enhance their comfort, I will link the shop link of the pillowcase on the video description for you to check. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in my next video.